Source: Global Dividend Growth Split Corp. Toronto, May 24, 2018. Globe NEWSWIRE. Brompton Funds Limited, the manager, is pleased to announce that Global Dividend Growth Split Corp. The company has filed a final prospectus, the prospectus, in respect of its initial public offering of up to 9,100,000 Class A shares and 9,100,000 preferred shares at a price of $10 per preferred share and $12 per Class A share, for a maximum offering size of $200,200,000. This offering is expected to close on or about June 15, 2018. The company will invest in a diversified portfolio, the portfolio of equity securities of large capitalization, global dividend growth companies selected by the manager. In order to qualify for inclusion in the portfolio, at the time of investment and at the time of each periodic reconstitution and/or rebalancing of the portfolio, each global dividend growth company included in the portfolio must A. have a market capitalization of at least $10 billion, and E. have a history of dividend growth or, in the manager's view, have high potential for future dividend growth. The manager expects that at least 20 global dividend growth companies will comprise the portfolio. The indicative portfolio includes Airbus SE, Apple Inc., AstraZeneca plc, BCE Inc., Carnival Corporation, Cisco Systems Inc., Deutsche Post AG, Enbridge Inc., HSBC Holdings plc, Intel Corporation, IBM Corporation, Johnson. The investment objectives for the Class A shares are to provide their holders with regular monthly non-cumulative cash distributions and the opportunity for capital appreciation through exposure to the portfolio. The monthly cash distribution is targeted to be 10 cents per Class A share, representing a yield on the issue price of the Class A shares of 10.0% per annum. The investment objectives for the preferred shares are to provide their holders with fixed cumulative preferential quarterly cash distributions and to return the original issue price of $10 to holders on June 30, 2021, subject to extension for successive terms of up to 5 years as determined by the board of directors of the company. The quarterly cash distribution will be $0.1250 per preferred share, 50 cents per annum, or 5.0% per annum on the issue price of $10 per preferred share, until June 30, 2021. The preferred shares have been provisionally rated PFD3 high by DBRS Limited. Prospective purchasers investing in the company will have the option of paying for shares in cash or by an exchange of freely tradable listed securities of any eligible issuers, exchange-eligible issuers, listed in the prospectus, the exchange option. Prospective purchasers who utilize the exchange option are required to deposit their securities of exchange-eligible issuers by no later than 5 p.m. Toronto time, on May 24, 2018 through CDS. Please contact your investment advisor or refer to the prospectus for detailed information on how to participate in the offering by way of either cash purchase or the exchange option. Brompton Funds Limited will act as the manager and portfolio manager of the company. The manager currently manages 5 split-share corporations with combined assets of over $1.3 billion. This indicative agents for the offering is being led by RBC Capital Markets, CIBC Capital Markets, National Bank Financial Inc., and Scotiabank, and includes BMO Capital Markets, TD Securities Inc., Canaccord Genuity Corp., GMP Securities LP, Raymond James Limited, Echelon Wealth Partners, Industrial Alliance Securities Inc., Desjardins Securities Inc., and Mackey Research Capital Corporation. About Brompton Funds. Brompton Funds, a division of Brompton Group which was founded in 2000, is an experienced investment fund manager with approximately $2 billion in assets under management. Brompton's investment solutions include TSX-traded funds, mutual funds and flow-through limited partnerships. For further information, please contact your investment advisor. Call Brompton's Investor Relations line at 416-642-6000, toll free at 1-866-642-6001, email info@bromptongroup.com, or visit our website at www.bromptongroup.com. Not for distribution to U.S. NEWSWIRE services or for dissemination in the United States. This offering is only made by Prospectus. The prospectus contains important detailed information about the securities being offered. Copies of the prospectus may be obtained from any of the above-mentioned agents. Investors should read the prospectus before making an investment decision. There are ongoing fees and expenses associated with owning shares of an investment fund. An investment fund must prepare disclosure documents that contain key information about the company. You can find more detailed information about the company in the public filings available at www.sadar.com. Investment funds are not guaranteed, their values change frequently, and past performance may not be repeated. Certain statements contained in this news release constitute forward-looking information within the meaning of Canadian securities laws. Forward-looking information may relate to matters disclosed in this news release, and to other matters identified in public filings relating to the company, to the future outlook of the company and anticipated events or results, and may include statements regarding the future financial performance of the company. In some cases, forward-looking information can be identified by terms such as may, will, should, expect, plan, anticipate, believe, intend, estimate, predict, potential, continue, or other similar expressions concerning matters that are not historical facts. Actual results may vary from such forward-looking information. Investors should not place undue reliance on forward-looking statements. These forward-looking statements are made as of the date hereof, and we assume no obligation to update or revise them to reflect new events or circumstances. The securities offered have not been registered under the U.S. Securities Act of 1933, as amended, and may not be offered or sold in the United States absent registration or any applicable exemption from the registration requirements. This news release does not constitute an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to buy securities, nor will there be any sale of such securities in any state in which such offer, solicitation or sale would be unlawful.